Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Biweekly Contest 62 on Leetcode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, especially if you like, discussing contest problems. We have a new channel or chat room or whatever for the contest. So yeah, just come hang out and nerd out together, I guess. My hair's a little funky, isn't it? Anyway, I just got back to the US, to New York. If you can see my usual background, need a better usual background. But in any case, yeah. So let's see. I have my pen and paper ready. There's 10 seconds to go. Make sure I register. Yep. Yeah. Good luck, everybody. Wish me good luck, and let's go. Go, 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 go. Do 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 do. Let's go. All right. Loading, it's a little slow, even though somehow I'm on fast internet. It's probably dumb though, right? Oh, jeez. I mean, we spent 30 seconds just loading the first problem. This is ridiculous, actually. But okay, maybe my computer's slow though. Okay. What is M is R? See. I think there's probably like a function for this actually, but it's alright. Something like that. I should have done it that way. Yeah, okay, that looks good. So let's give it a submit. Hopefully that's right. Oh no. Well, that's silly on my part, obviously. I don't that. Why would that be wrong? Wow. I should have just wrote a regular loop instead of trying to be clever, but One, two. Did I mess that up? I guess I did. Silly mistake. Okay. Tried to be too clever. Should have just did a regular for loop. Wasted a lot of time. Okay, let's see. Focus. Clear sub I. Okay. What a silly mistake. A little tilted on that one. Is it just two for loops? I don't get it. I don't get this one. Okay, that was too easy for me to get confused about. First day back dumbness. Okay, you have an enter key. So, okay, maximum number consecutive. Okay, sliding window is done. Here. Oh wait, is it? Well, yes, but just coding, code it, Larry. Once we use a K. Oh, this is a to use this. Ouch. I'm being really bad today. This is such a dumb problem, or easy problem, but okay. Right. I'm really rusty today. Then now we see force. K has to be 1. Okay, that's good. What am I doing? Okay. Dumb. I'm really slow today. Did anyone finish this yet? Probably, right? No, I just... Okay, let's see. And I have a 5-minute penalty. That's the one that kills me. The 5-minute penalty is tough. Okay. Number of ways to partition nums is the number. Okay. So basically the prefix is equal to the suffix. That's interesting. Does it have to be related to 0 or anything like that? What is K again? Oh, 2K. Okay. So you can't just change it to anything, you have to change it to K. And it's 2 to 5. Let's see. So how many pivots are there? So here, how do we count? What is the best way to count? Do they have to equal to 20? Oh, to 0, sorry. Oh, I said 20, but okay, that's a little bit rusty. Does this give me a generator? Yeah, okay, it does. Okay, so why? Now, just for fun, was it the third one? Yeah. Okay. What does that prefix sum look like? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that okay, so the 4. So that means that this is equal to this, this is equal to this, and this is okay. I think this is just a lot of math, but change it back to 25. So can I suss anything out here? What does changing a number mean? So we have the suffix sum. Changing a number, changing this number, what does that mean? Let's see. Just visualizing it. So changing this number from 25 to 33 means that every number afterwards is -8. The suffix doesn't change. Well, the suffix means that every prefix is also -8. Okay. Or the prefix of the suffix is -8. Okay. So that means that by changing the number, okay. Did anyone solve it yet? I have such a tail, because this is such an easy-ish contest that I think that 5-minute penalty, yeah, such a low ranking as a result of that 5-minute penalty, and people already finished. But what can I gather from this? Okay, just matching up the arrays. Match up the arrays. Right. Why did I just type it out? It's a little bit slower, but I didn't. Whoops. Okay. So that we see 8 happens times. It is 0 4 times, which is obvious. So basically, we want to minus. Is it every array by 8 in this element? If that's the case, no, this is +8 on the left and then -8 on the right, right? So basically we have this thing. Okay, so I mean, I think this is doable in an hour, but there's just a lot of keeping track of math and bookkeeping at this point. I think I have enough to solve it. It's just about taking the time. And yeah, because okay, we start with this, right? We count the number of zeros, okay, and then we change the 22 to 33. What does that mean? Maybe I should have had a helper function. But so we have this, and then now changing the first number to minus 55. That means that all these numbers are all these numbers are minus 55, and then this is plus 55. Right, so then we just have to do some kind of keeping track of number of zeros on both sides, and then we're good. Right? Okay. Yeah, okay, let's do it. And then in the second one, there now. Okay. And this is because I'm trying to do too much in my head probably, and I'm not as my brain is not as big as I would like it to be, so I have to kind of do more visualization tools, but it should be okay. Okay. Oh, I think I mixed up though, because I was looking at this one, but then I do not. I mean, I think if I think the smarter people would have gotten this by now. It's just that I need extra help with visualization. So so yeah, this is minus 55 on everything on the right and plus 55 on the left. Okay. So yeah, so you know, bear with me for a second. And then the second one is just everything to the left is plus 37 or something like that. Yeah, and then minus 37, and then just counting zeros. Okay. So then let's figure that out. Why don't I just copy and paste? Okay. So now I have this thing, right? And then I want to. Okay, now I have the delta away. And then now I want to count the number of zeros. So best is equal to 0, return best. And then we just have so we have left is equal to collections.counter, right is equal to also collections.counter, but with all the delta. Okay, and now for x and delta we and then best is equal to right sub 0. So far I guess max, we want to be technical, but I guess it doesn't really matter. I mean, it should be whatever. Okay, and then here okay, and then difference is equal to num sub I minus k. So in this case it's plus 55. So then now we want to put to the current delta, we want to move it to the left. And then now we count the on the left side. On the right side it should be the number minus k. So that means that it should be k. No, wait. Okay, so for example in here, we want to count here we have 8, right? Yep. So we want to count the 8s on the right and negative k's on the left. Okay. Num sub I. What did I do wrong? Why am I missing out? I think I just have to do one more thing. What does this 46 mean? Oh, this is suffix of all of them. Okay. This is, oh, so we don't have to do the last number. Okay, fine. Okay, that's not a great solution though. So, So after the first one, where did the 8s go? So there are 4 8s here. Why is this not doing 8 to the 4? Difference. I think it should be minus difference, not k. That's why. Okay, is this actually right or just right for this example? 144. Nope, this is wrong. I mean, that's good that I have a wrong answer, but how do you even get 4 for this? I have off by 1 on the boundaries. I think that's it, but that's fine. Basically, because in this case, yeah, I use all the words, so I also need to do from 1, I think. Maybe. No, I think I get this one wrong. It should be this, but we start at 1. Oh, because of this thing. It's wrong. Okay. Because you cannot do this. Because, yeah. Now it's a little bit more wrong. Okay, fine. That's okay. I think we are mostly good. I think I'm just confused on the 0 case. We changed the first character. Maybe I'm still wrong. I mean, I'm clearly still wrong, but Oh, I don't do the unchanged one very well. Unchanged. I think that's what I was trying to do here, but okay. If it's unchanged, then thing is that that's a good edge case that I messed up. So let's see. It's the number of zeros, sure. But you have to have at least one element. That's why I messed up. Yeah. How do I handle that though? Let's see. I don't need the debugging anymore, I don't think. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, 0. Yeah, well, this should be right in that none of this makes sense. It's just about how do I do that though? How do I handle the default case with 0? I think that's the part that I don't know. No? Okay. Yeah, I think this, I don't know if this is going to be right, but yeah, I think this is actually still right, but then if num sub 0 is equal to 0, but is that right? I mean, it's right for here, but let's see. So this one should give me no answer. It should give me 0. Is that 2? Is that right? I mean, that's clearly not right. Huh? Why would this give me 2? Okay, so this is now good, I believe. I have to handle the default case. I didn't think about handling the default case, but okay. Oh, no, this is, well, this should give me 3. Right? Also have to take account of one element case. Oh no, okay, we're good there. Is there 2 ways to do this? No. This is 1 and this is -1, right? So that's no. It's just this and this. So there's only one answer, but it's giving me 2. Tell me why? Oh, because there's 3 zeros in the prefix, and then we only subtract 1, which is fine. But why is it 3? Oh, it should be. How do I handle the default case of no changing? I couldn't believe that that's the easy. Can we just do it? Can we simulate it in another way so that it's less risky? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I'm trying to be too clever. For x and delta. It's just the number of zeros that are not. So yeah, because the first 0 means all of them, and then the last 0 means everything to the right, left. So it's just. Is that reasonable? Okay, let's see. I mean, this is right, so let's give it a submit. Not confident yet, but the running time should be okay. But oof, yeah, all these zeros are the one that changing it to 0. That's the case that I did not consider actually. So okay, I mean that's a good. wrong answer, I guess, because that is definitely something that I didn't consider. How many people have gotten this so far? A lot of people have gotten this so far. Yeah, I'm not that surprised, but do I have to special case this? Okay, let's bring back the what do I return? I return 35, but it expects 33 because I think this is. I'm just thinking. I think I've just messed up. I think this should be just this in general. Because is the delta always 0 on these? Did I just messed up in a lot of things? Well, at least all the other stuff is still right, but this is wrong. Well, yeah, I guess the prefix doesn't. The prefix one is always going to be. Yeah, but then the last one. How do we handle the last one? I mean, I think this is more right actually. On the, because we should not consider. No, what's the last one mean? The suffix means everything to the left. Yeah, so we should not consider the last one anyway. But now we're still off by 1 because switching this. What do we count extra? Let's see. And this is a silly one anyway, but so in this case we have 3, but it should be 2 because it's just this is just this one. Yeah, okay, this is a good example to test. This is actually not a tough contest, but I'm doing really, I don't know, maybe just groggy coming back, maybe that's fine. Okay. So this is the delta array. Why do I have 3? I'm already taking out here and here, so I only have these 2. And then now here we have let's see actually. So the left we have, okay, I think there is just an off by 1 somewhere, because here the answer is 2, but here we clearly have a -1, so we definitely just have a bug somewhere. Okay. What is the, I don't even remember the input anymore. Let's print it out. Okay, so this is the input. This should convert it to -10. Delta x, what is xy? X is -10. We move the -10 from right to left, that's good. And then here we do it again, even though this should be 10. I think I just am really bad at this. I think we just need to not consider the first element. And I think we're good. Yeah, okay, maybe this is good, I don't know. Not very confident right now, but I think it makes more sense than before. And let's actually also do this one. Alright, let's give it a submit. Please. Oh no. Okay. A lot of off by 1 issues, seems like. that I'm just dealing with as well. And again, we can just change this to a smaller way to debug anyway. Like I feel like I got the logic correct, it's just not being actually correct, which is tough. Okay, so this is the prefix array. Let's just say we want to switch. Okay, so this is the inside, we made this to the left. Okay, what is the correct answer? Expected is 20. Expected is 2, but it should be 3 because is it 3? If we change this one, then it would be 1 and 2. Huh? Why? Did I mess up somewhere? Because basically if we put it here, then it should just have 1 period and then 2 period, right? Why is this answer 3? Well, why is this answer 3, I guess, or 19, I guess. Let's see. The delta is this. So the correct answer is 20, but which is this plus this maybe? Why would this be not right? Or this plus this. No. On the right side it is the difference. So then this is that's weird. So this is on the and here there's but here this should be on the left side is 20, right? So why is that not right? What am I doing wrong? Do I have a negative number here somewhere that I'm messing up? No. Okay, so this is the difference. So on the left it should be positive. Well, it should be that we change the first number, right? And when we change the first number, then there are change the first number, then okay, we change the first number, then yeah. Did I mess up on the direction? Now we change the first number, you have one number that's on the left side would be negative. Did I count things incorrectly? No, because then now the other stuff is wrong. But we change the first number, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's actually not be dumb here, Larry. And just I think you need a little bit more zeros in the beginning, maybe that's why. Yeah. Okay, so this is 3, this is good, because if you change the first number, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, so that's definitely 4. I think I did the prefix incorrectly, because I don't, if we change the first number, then if we change the first number, the counter is a little bit off on the left side in the beginning, because if we change the first number, then this should be plus and this should be all minus, right? So then so there's 3 of these. Did I mess up? Well, we don't count this one, so if we change this one, we have this array, right? We change the first one, then we have these 3 here. That will get the plus. No, that would get the subtraction. Did I mess up that sign sandwich? If we change the first one, then this should have 3, but this should have 1. So you plus. I forgot my original thing. Do I add on the left side or the right side? Add on the left and subtract on the right, so there should be 2. But do I need this number? Maybe that's why. I do need, maybe that's why I need the suffix. Why do I need a suffix? 1. The suffix last one represents, or the delta is the prefix minus the suffix, and that means that no, yeah, that doesn't make sense though. But it does make sense that this has to be given me 4, and as a 4, or it should have a 4 because the delta, I mean, this is good, but this is not good. Because, it is not good because for the number that we're adding, the difference so it's this number. So we add k, we subtract k on this side. I think I double check. Okay, now this is right. Okay. I actually forgot. I should have written it down or have notes. This is embarrassing. Okay, let's look at this one again. Okay, so this input, this is your delta array, or your delta array. And first you switch the 22 to so your plus whatever. So that means that you want to move what do you move to the left side? To the left side, if it is a 55, you okay? What does it mean? Tell me why. Spend most of the time debugging. Yeah, well. I feel like a lot of people got this by now. I'm just being slow, even though I knew how relatively do it. Okay, so here, switch to 5, but you add 5, right? And here you subtract the 2 5s. What did I do? Did I do something wrong? Everything is... Now this is worse. This is 0. Oh, yeah, well, okay. I forgot to change this thing. Okay, that's just me being dumb. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Let's see. So on the right side should be 3, which is fine. Is that right? And then on the left side, no, because we switched this to 5. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so you just want 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, 1 element. This thing. So we switched the number. Did I have I think I have an off by 1, but we switched this number. But I don't know how to fix it now. I mean, I could also, I think one thing I maybe could have done is just special cased it, but... Yeah, let's do that. I'm really struggling with this one a little bit, but... If c of 0 is equal to n, then return n minus 1, I think, right? Yeah. Just don't change the array. If c of 0 is equal to n minus 1, then you just change nk is equal to 0. Then also return n minus 1. That's basically this. That's basically this one. You just change 0 and you have a 0 array, and then the other one is... No, I don't think, because that's the thing, right? Is that I don't think I could special case it quite like that, because you could have like a 2 and a 3 and a -5 or something. So, okay, fine. Let's not do this per se. Maybe. You have to be careful about these two. I'm spending so much time on this silly off by 1. I'm just really bad at prefix sum today. Okay. But why is it that when you go, when you put a, why is this 0? When you do this, you put a 5 here, then everything on the left is that true? Maybe my logic is just wrong, because the prefix, no, because if 5 here, then if we switch this to a 5, then we switch all these -5, and then all these +5. The 0 case is really throwing me off. Yeah, so what happens if you have one number? We can also just brute force. Maybe I'm just really bad at the first number, but okay. Okay, you switch this to a 5, then the suffix would be 5 5 5 5 10 10 10 but then the suffix would be I'm just struggling to know what the supposed answer is. So okay, so okay, let's just step back. I have to bring this back. Forgot the print. Okay. So if you switch the first one, this is the prefix array, but we don't count the 0, which is why this is messing up. So the first element in this array means that it's everything to the right, but the second one should be good. Second one means, well, no. I think I have to do this. It's just that by changing certain things. No, is that right? Okay. Step back. I think this one is wrong, actually. I think maybe that's why. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I added the one there now anymore. Maybe I was just to adjust for this, but I think now, let's see. This is incorrect, so yeah, okay. Maybe this is more correct. I'm a little bit tired, so I'm just going to YOLO this a little bit. At least, is this right for at least the inputs? I think 33 is right, 20 is right, so let's give it a submit. Oh, now. Was it wrong on now? This is the same thing as before. This is the same as this one. How is this different than this one? Why? Do I do something weird with negative numbers? Why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, I think this is the prefix and now this is the suffix if we add the last number or something. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. I am really silly today. See what the next wrong answer have. Okay. Just really bad with off by ones. I think I have like 4 answers from off by ones. I think I just really rushed it, even though because I got the idea really quickly, and then yeah, this is such a mess. Wow. First contest back, and it is a mess. Wow, a lot of people got. I mean, it wasn't that hard, but that's yikes. I mean, it wasn't that hard, and I got it. I don't know. I have to look at the tapes to see when I actually got it, but I got it pretty quickly. The idea, but I just debugged off by ones, and I have 3 wrong answers because I have off by ones. I think that's a thing is kind of try to figure out, define your indexes really precisely. I think that's where I went wrong, is that I did not. So Yeah, so I think like these order, and I keep on trying hacking it because I keep trying to move it here to here, and I thought, oh, okay, that's a little bit weird because I'm all having it off by one. So let's just move it from the first index and stuff like that. But really, what I had to do was just here, and that cost me probably about half an hour plus a couple of wrong answers, because I had this idea pretty, I wouldn't say fast, but I was okay. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, yeah. Um. Yeah, I mean, okay. I don't know. I mean, this is just a math problem, so I think a lot of people got it quickly, and I don't think I took that long to be honest, but I just kind of yeah, just off by ones, right? Like three wrong answers is not really acceptable. And just sloppy today in general. Yeah, because I mean, I got wrong answer in Q1, which is, I don't know. I mean, I just got back. Maybe I'm a little bit jet lagged, but that's really just excuses. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health, and I will see you later. Bye bye.